Welcome. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of creating high-quality, viral talking AI video avatars? You're in the right place. Stick around until the end of this video, and I'll share expert tips and tricks to help you create stunning AI videos.
Let's dive in. The first step in creating your talking avatar is to write a compelling script. This will be the foundation of your avatar's personality and message. You can use AI tools to generate a script or write one from scratch. If you need help with script writing, check out my previous videos on generating prompts using AI. Next, head over to your Chrome browser and type in Leonardo AI. Click on Image Creation and paste your script or type it in. You'll see a spacebar where you can input your prompt. Make sure to customize your avatar's appearance by adjusting the aspect ratio to 16:9. Once you've generated your avatar, select the images you like and click the download arrow. Now you have your avatar images. Next is to create the talking avatar. To bring your avatar to life, head back to your Chrome browser and type in DubDub. Register an account using your Gmail and navigate to the AI Talking Avatar section. Select from various voices, male, female, or whatever suits your avatar's personality. Choose the speed at which you want your avatar to talk, whether it's slow and steady or fast-paced. Next, select the image of your avatar and click Generate. Wait a few minutes or seconds, and your video will be ready. Download the talking avatar video directly to your phone, and you're done. Creating a talking avatar is quick, easy, and totally free. No need to spend money or waste time. It's stress-free and efficient. Thanks for watching. If you have any topics or ideas you'd like me to cover in future videos, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on my latest videos.